I'm really in a dilemma. Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh. Okay, guys. Oh my god, that's a puddle. I'm walking in the trails by my house for the first time in the rain. Feels pretty good right now, but these puddles are bigger than I expected. And I keep on veering off trail, guys. Like, I'm looking for the most shallowest water in the hill, but it's just all just flowing down. Just smooth as pretty. But it's just like a lot of trails. There's a little lake right next to me. It's beautiful. It looks like an alligator pond, to be honest. Like, if they just had some little alligators sniffing at my ankles right now, I'd be like, okay, that's cute. You guys, oh my god, no. I can do it. I'm looking for the trail with the least amount of water on it, and it's right on the edge. My J's are getting so soaked right now. I see a path in the middle, guys. I just see the water flowing. So, you guys, I just made a new URL. It's my store. You guys could check out some of my merch. It's gonna have my beanies on there. Wait. Sorry.